In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily follow or unfollow someone on Threads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads. And then on our home feed, we can just go to someone's profile, and that's where we can easily follow that user. To follow them, just tap at that follow button, and as you can see, now it says following. Right from here, obviously, we can tap at following to unfollow them. Also, we can unfollow someone from our home feed. To do that, we can go right there, and if we find their post at our Threads timeline, we can just tap at three dots and then tap at unfollow, then unfollow again. That's how you can easily follow and unfollow users on Threads.